Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm sure I'm so excited. You guys, I took the bullet, I bit the horse, whatever it's called. I did it, I got it. Even when I got this, my essay was like, why are you getting this? Like, you don't need this in your life. And I'm like, no, you have no idea. I really do. Why I thought I did, I don't know, you guys, but I just did. If you watched the video back, or a couple videos back, and you've been watching, you know exactly what this is. I'm smiling like this because did I need this? No. Did I want this? Yes. Was it a necessity? No. But I did it anyways. Oh my god. Okay, let's go for it. I hate when I watch those videos and they take all day and they never get to the point. It's like, girl, open the bag. What's in there? Let us see. So I'm showing you today. I don't know why they didn't give me the Christmas bag. Like, I'm kind of upset about that. But this is the bag that it came in. I have a couple of different ones. I'm going to make this one short and sweet, though. What receipt? Okay, here's the receipt. Okay. Oh my god, do you guys see that? I have color on my nails. I was very, like, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I was very like, oh my god, I'm getting color on my nails. But I did it for the holidays. It's kind of cute. I'm kind of feeling it. I'm kind of vibing with it. It's cute. I like it. Anyways, that's the purchase of receipt. Here is the actual thing at hand. It's just a little cutie here. You know me. I'm not one for drawing it out. Here's the box. Here's a little thing that it comes in. I'm keeping the wrapping on there. You know, these make, oh, keep going, act like that didn't happen. These little drawers make cute makeup holders, I've noticed, and that's what I've been using these for. So here it is. Here's this. You guys, you already know what this is, right? Do you have a guess? Go ahead, type in, take a minute, type it in. What do you think this is? It is none other than the key holder. Ta-da! I got it in this print because you know that this is my favorite print from Louis Vuitton. I love the demier bin print. If I'm saying that wrong, forgive me, okay? But I love this print, and I did go with, is this, I couldn't even tell you, I'm so bad. I think this is a 6-ring key holder. Yes, this is a 6-ring key holder, and it is in the demier bin print. I absolutely love it. I don't know why I needed this. If I'm gonna be honest with you, this is one of the purchases that I've purchased, and I'm like, Cheraye, you do not need that. And then I told myself, but Cheraye, you absolutely love that and you want it. So I got it. Even my essay was like, why are you getting this? You don't need this. So I got it, you guys. I have not yet used it. You see it here. I just brought it out of the bag, out of the box, out of everything. So I have not had a chance to use it yet. I will come back and do a review and let you know how I'm loving it, how I'm styling it, where I'm getting the most use for this at, and give you all of my, you know, 411 on it. I did get the gold little button here because I didn't want the other ones. I thought that they might rub off. I seen a lot of them that rubbed off. This is a classic print to me. I absolutely love this print. I have so many bags that this is gonna mesh so well with, so I just thought that it was perfect for my collection. This is what I got. I absolutely love it. And you know what I like about it? I haven't utilized it yet, but I'm just thinking, me going to the gym, being able to put this here and then taking whatever cards that I have for the day, because you know generally after I leave the gym I love to run my errands and go to Trader Joe's, or now with me being back on my health trip because the New Year is coming, I'm so happy to get back to normality because these 2 weeks have been killing me. I didn't know when it was Thursday, when it was Friday. Every day was like Friday and Saturday and Sunday to me. Every day was the weekend. So I'm so happy to get back on track. Happy January, by the way. Yeah, and then what's in here? There has a little card department here. Oh, this is a style number. I will put all the information in the description box below. This is a little card that tells you, but I can see you definitely putting a little bit of cash back here. I can see you putting your ID back here. If you just needed to put a little cash, your ID, put this in your wallet and close it up and drive away, I can totally see that being okay. And that's why I got it. I mean, there was no huge big need for this. I mean, my keys didn't need to be in anything, but this was definitely a want, not a necessity. This wasn't even a Oh my gosh, YouTube made me do it. I just wanted it. I just wanted it in my collection, and I got it. And I really want to say a huge thank you and a huge shout out to all of you that said, get it, go get it. You're never gonna, you know, regret it. It's such a great piece to have in your collection. I really appreciate you guys for that. That's why I love YouTube, and I love my community, and I love you guys on here, because we talk to one another, we suggest things to one another, and it just feels like I have a whole bunch of friends that love the same thing that I love, and they're like, yeah, get it, or no, don't get it, or get this print, or get that print. It's so amazing. So please know that your comments, your suggestions, nothing goes unnoticed. I really appreciate my community here, and I appreciate you guys, and without you, I would have no channel. So make sure you take this video and, you know, share it with somebody. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hello. Normally my hair is done, but today it's not, you guys. I'm just rolling into 2019 comfortable, okay? It's just, it is what it is. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you join the team. I do post videos every Sunday at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is a purchase. I am signing out. I thank you guys for your suggestions and your recommendations. You are fabulous. I couldn't ask for a better group, a better team, a better support group. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye.